What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, as this is number 2 in our Alchemist Cosmic cocktail series, so welcome back. And if you are new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as I will take you on my cocktail journey, taking you through my favourite series, Alchemist. So if you've never been, they're absolutely brilliant. You'll see them all around the UK, and it's a fantastic cocktail brand. So today's cocktail, it is the Cheeky Vimto, so a very popular Cheeky Vimto, but a little bit of a twist. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do it like it is in the recipe book, but I'm going to change the measurements a little bit. So it's going to be a little bit different to what you see in the cocktail book. I also like to use the more American standard rather than the UK. So with this, it's a bit like a porn-style martini, so Cheeky Vimto, but served with a shot of a Vimto jelly, which I've already made. So if you want me to show you how to make a Vimto jelly shot version, let me know in the comments below. Right, so with this cocktail, it is over the rocks, so we'll go put in our ice and then we'll just add in each ingredient and build it up that way. It's really simple to make. So let's get straight into it. So get your ice. And let's make a 1 Cheeky Vimto. So the first ingredient is 30ml or 1 ounces of Sloe Gin. So next is 50ml or half an ounce of blood orange gin by Black Powder. I really recommend this gin brand. They are really good. Next, 50ml or half an ounce of lemon mix. Again, let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you how to make the lemon mix. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of that Vimto squash. Next, 60ml or 2 ounces of soda water. And the last bit, it calls for vanilla and cherry syrup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them. So you can, because I've not been able to get a brand, so I've got 2 different ones, so I didn't manage to find a cherry and vanilla syrup together. So what I'm going to do is just do 2.5ml of each. So 2.5ml or 0.1 ounce. So next, 2.5ml or 0.1 of an ounce of cherry syrup. So get your bar spoon, and the last thing to do now is just to give it a light stir. And there we go, 1 Cheeky Vimto with 1 Vimto jelly shot. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, 1 Cheeky Vimto with 1 Vimto jelly shot. The perfect start to the weekend, and I hope you enjoy it. This is a classic, the Cheeky Vimto. It's strong, it's powerful, it's flavoursome, but it's very cheeky. Cheers everyone, how does it taste? Let me tell you, that is something else. The Cheeky Vimto, you can tell it has a kick to it. It's more the gin that kicks out, so it's got that Sloe Gin that kicks through after the blood orange gin. So that's the first tasting notes I'm getting, as it kicks through, especially with the Sloe Gin in the back of my throat. But then with the Vimto, and then it balances it out a little bit with the soda water, so it's not too bittery, so it cancels that out. and then you can taste the lemon mix with it, so to give it a little bit of a sweet and sour taste. But that is a really, really nice cocktail. It's not that, it's one of those, it's a sweet and sour cocktail. That is the perfect example of a sweet and sour cocktail. But let's mix it in with Vimto jelly. Cheers. I can see why it has the side of the Vimto jelly shot. Is that it's nice, it's a really nice jelly. I really recommend it. That's a 10 out of 10. The cocktail itself, I'd say it's not my favourite, but it's good, it's strong. I recommend it for sweet and sour, but it's a solid 7.5 out of 10. But that, ladies and gentlemen, has been the Cheeky Vimto cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more Alchemist cocktails like this, more cocktail videos like this, and I will see you guys for the next one. But for the next adventures, we're going to be a little bit more creative on this channel. So the one that I want to try, like looking through the book, is the Nespresso Martini and then the Trifle. That's the one that's really caught my attention. So we'll take your mixology again to the next level. We're going to do those two and we'll see how it turns out. But I've been MixedSid. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. So I will see you guys next weekend for the Nespresso Martini. And a happy Easter as it's fast approaching. The perfect start to Easter. Cheers everyone, have a good one. That's going down far too quick for my liking.